What's going on, third grade? Today we're going to code a superhero, but there's some steps that we got to kind of follow to make sure we kind of get everything nice and perfect. You don't want to mess this up, otherwise you're going to be lost. So to go through this process, I'm going to switch to my buddy Mackenzie's account, and here we go. All right, so obviously you want to hit the waffle. We're going to go to Google Classroom. And Mr. Lane has it on the board there. The first thing you want to do is click on that Scratch account here. So I see this assignment here. Mr. Lane posted a new assignment, code a superhero. Click on this. Now there's three different things that we need here. You kind of see this is where we're going to keep our CS first password. We have our sign in there. The first thing we need to do, we need to sign into Scratch. So I'm going to go click on the Scratch link here. It's loading. I'm going to click sign in, and I'm going to sign in as, and then I'm going to put her password here. So we're going to sign in. Now this is key to make sure that we sign in nice and perfect. All right, she signed in. So you can kind of see, you want to make sure you're signed in there. Then you go back to Google Classroom, and then you're going to open up this blank Google Doc here. And just kind of let it sit here. So we got this Google Doc open. And it's open here. Then you're going to go to this sign in right here. And this is our CS first. This is from Google. This is going to kind of show us all the cool things. And you're a student, so you're going to click student. All right. And then what you want to do, you want to enter the code that Mr. Lane has on the board there. And our class code is 7KFXPP. I'm going to hit next. All right, there we go. Hit yes, join. Do you need a new CS? Hit yes. And then they're going to give you one. And what you want to do is you want to either right click to hit copy or hit Control C. And you're just going to paste that in here. Control V right there. So we have it. Make sure you get your password. So I can go back to CS first here. All right, and I'm gonna hit Control C or right click and copy and hit paste. All right, so you have that in there, and that's all you need to do for that. So the next thing we want to do, you just want to hit yes. I wrote my user and password name down. Hit sign in. Now once we sign in, you can kind of see, or right here, code your superhero, and it says 0 of 2 activities completed. I'm gonna hit code my hero. All right, now right here, as we kind of get started, as you can kind of see, this is our start page here, and we want to get started. So you want to click start. And then they have these videos that kind of lead you here. So it shows you how to move your hero, how to make it fly over your buildings, add background music, show off a super spin, keep score for your game. You can add a second superhero, or you can draw your own hero. And then the reason why we sign in your Scratch account, because you want to click on your starter project. So once I click on this project right here, once I click on it, it will be in your Scratch account. So it's loading. So that's why we sign into Scratch first. And you see Mackenzie signed in here, and you want to make sure you hit remix. So hit this remix button right here. And then now Mackenzie, she's ready to rock and roll. I'm going to move this out of the way here. So if you want to choose a different superhero, you're going to go up here, and you can kind of choose your different superheroes that you want for your game. Maybe I want the dog. Here's your buildings, and here's your stars. All right, now the different skill that you want to put into your game that you want to code here, So maybe you want to figure out, how do I make it fly over buildings first? So you just click on this.
The ability to fly is a very popular hero.
And it's going to take you through this video, and it's going to show you how to code all that. So you get to kind of create your own project without me doing it all together. All right, it's going to be an awesome day today. I got signed back into my Mr. Lane account here. I'm back in here. All right, let's code a superhero.